Hey there, I'm Muhammad, and I'm here to help you learn Python in a way that actually makes sense. I've been in computer science for over 8 years, working with Python as well as C and JavaScript. However, what I really enjoy is teaching. And for over 2 years now, I've been helping students go from where do I even start to confidently writing their own code. So, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up, I tailor lessons to you. We'll focus on real understanding, problem solving, and hands-on projects, allowing you to apply what you learn right away. Personally, I believe that is one of the best ways to learn, which is why I make sure that every lesson leaves you with something practical to take away. So, if that sounds like the kind of learning experience you're looking for, I hope to hear from you soon. So, let's get started.